everyone, I put some photos up about how I was going to try and make my own paper, and it has worked. I wasn't sure because it looked really thin and I thought, oh, it's probably going to break on me, so I hung it up and let it dry for a day. But no, it has turned out, it's actually, yeah, quite sturdy, so I'm happy with that. It's taken on the wee pattern of the mesh on one side and the linen on the other, but I did have a go at embossing some wee designs, so I'm happy with how that turned out. I might iron them, but I also do like the wrinkled look. It adds to it. So I've done some plain ones, and yeah, so I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I'm never going to buy paper ever again. I'm just going to make my own. So, but the reason why I started this whole process was I wanted to put in wee thank you cards. So when someone buys one of my pendants, apart from putting a few wee confetti crystals in and as a gift, I wanted to do something handmade. So I am loving this. Just had to go get the punch because I lost my other one. But yeah, I absolutely love this. So thought I'd do a video instead of just posting photos. So have a lovely day, and I hope you like how this turned out. Bye.